Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download your Craigslist application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Craigslist application, firstly open your Play Store. On the search box at the top type in Craigslist and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on Install button and download the application. But if the application is not available in your region, open your APK Player application. On the search box at the top type in Craigslist and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the application and tap on Install button on the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on Install button to install the application. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Craigslist application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.